This is Dr. Mike Grego, and I'm now going to perform the alkaline water test using these phenol red drops, which are a reagent to change the water either, or to rather show whether the water is alkaline, neutral, or acidic. When we put the drops in, of course, first we're going to fill, you're going to see me starting with Aquafina. We're going to fill up the water, all right? And then we have Dasani. Secondarily, the Dasani doesn't want to open. Okay, Dasani water. We have Smart water. Smart water. Okay. We have Fiji from the wonderful islands out there in the Pacific. We have Evian. Evian water. Get Evian water. Beautiful Evian water. Then we have Body Armor. Ooh, the Body Armor water. Okay. Zephyr Hills water is next. I'm going to flip around here. Zephyr Hills water from where my mom and dad used to live, Zephyr Hills. That's right, just outside of Tampa, Florida. Life water, pH balanced, quote unquote. Let's see what we have there for the life water. Okay. Then last but not least, we have, this is a glass bottle, what I highly recommend everybody keep your life ionizer in so it won't leach out any phthalates or BPAs, any plasticizer. Of course, glass is pretty inert. And we're going to fill this guy up because we're going to do a second experiment as well. But okay, life ionizer, alkaline ionized water. Okay, so let's start down here. Here's our phenol drops, our reagent drops. So let's get a good, we're going to put a couple, 2, 3, 4 drops in there. 2, 3, 4 drops. 2, 3, 4 drops. Let's see, 2, 3, 4 drops, and 2, 3, 4 drops, and 2, 3, 4 drops, 2, 3, 4 drops, 2, 3, 4 drops, and 2 or 3 or 4 drops. Okay, now I want to mix these up, make sure we can get a color, out of there. I want to stir them around a little bit. So you can see these are yellowish color, yellow in nature. What about this guy right here? Stir him up. He's yellow as well. So what do we have here? This is the Fiji water. Again, yellowish in nature, yellow color, yellow tint. Evian from the French Alps, yellow as well. Body Armor. Body Armor has a little purple, a little blue to it. So that means it is slightly alkaline, but we're going to put that to another test in just a moment. So it is a light blue. Now here we have Zephyr Hills. Zephyr Hills water is kind of green. I would kind of consider that a green. That's kind of a greenish tint. And then Life water, which is yellow, very yellowish tint. And then finally, Life ionizer water. Let's stir that up. Let's stir that up. And you're going to notice a deep, deep purple. So that by far is the most alkaline water on the planet as we judge it against all these other waters. So when we're looking to stay alkaline and we want to make sure our pH range around the cell, the interstitial fluid, not just the extracellular fluid, as we spoke about, that cannot be changed from 7.35 to 7.45, but actually the cell water, the fluid that's immediately around the cell, that's the interstitial fluid, and that can get acidic. Drinking these other waters, as you can see, could precipitate that and cause that. Drinking Life ionizer water, the deepest, darkest purple, the most alkaline water on the planet. Keep your health up there, keep the cells healthy and well. This is Dr. Grego for the Alkaline Water Experiment. All right, Dr. Grego, back again for the second characteristic of the right water. If you remember, that was alkalinity. Right after alkaline, as you can see, these waters are every other color but deep dark purple at the end. That's our life ionizer water. Yellow, green, slight blue, green, yellow, 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 yellow. Those are all acidic. That's all less than 7. Remember, 7 in the middle is neutral from our pH scale, 0 to 14. 14 is very basic, 0 is very acidic. So we want to stay on the alkaline side of the 7. We want to be as alkaline as we can to keep our cells nourished and life-giving alkaline water. So coming back then, we want to see the alkalinity, the second characteristic of the water. What does alkalinity mean? To take something that's acidic and make it more alkaline. So let's see if we can't just do that. I'm going to add a little more. This is our life ionizer water. Remember, we always keep it in glass. So we're going to pour a little bit more because we're going to be utilizing it as we go down, right, to change the rest of these water. Let's see what happens. So this is very acidic yellow. Let's see what happens if we pour that. Boom. We change an acid into a base, into an alkaline with the water. That's people that say the stomach acid is 2. By the way, when you're yellow, you're in the 2 to 2.5 pH range. That's the same thing as stomach acid. So stomach acid was just changed to an alkaline, from an acid, for a strong acid to an alkaline. Here's a neutral. There's a Z. We just need a few drops of there. We know that's going to change, boom, to purple right away. Here comes another green, right, neutral. Just a few drops, we're back purple. Another greenish yellow, acidic, changing that back to purple. Here we go, changing that back to purple. Now I'm running out of water here, so I'm going to put a few more drops. Here we go, with a few more drops of phenol red in here, so we can change the last few acidities into the purple. Yep, and I hope, yep, there we go. I really want to get more alkaline water, so bear with me for 1 second while I get some more alkaline water from the Life Ionizer machine. All right, Dr. Grego back with some more Life Ionizer, alkaline ionized water. We're going to fill up our glass here, right, because we have a few more acidic things that we need to take care of. Let's put a little bit more in there. So always carry it in a glass jar like we said. Here we're showing, what are we down here? Oh wait, Evian is still green, so we definitely want to see, can we change that over to purple? Water there, she goes back into a bluer water. Then we have the Fiji water. Can we change? There's a nice purple. Smart water, extremely yellow, extremely acidic, down around the 2.0 to 3.0 range. We're going to add a little, boom, that's stomach acid. That stomach acid, that's a pH around the cells, that interstitial fluid that could get down to 4.5 that needs to be changed back to alkaline. And there we go, we're almost out. We got to fill up with a little more. We don't want to forget Aquafina and Dasani, the most popular waters today, but they will not alkalize you. They will not make you alkaline. They will not keep oxygen, or they will not make molecular hydrogen, any of the good stuff. So here's Dasani water, around 2 to 2.5, change to purple, and here's Aquafina, boom, change to purple. So there you go, let's get a little more purple in there, purplish blue right there. So there you have it. The ability to alkalize is to take something that's acidic, right, that's acidic, and change it to alkaline. That's the power of the Life Ionizer. That's the power of the Life Ionizer water. When you drink it, it alkalizes your body so that you can be normal and you can be healthy and you can be a lot less sick. Dr. Grego back with you again. I just looked at the film and realized I am a little colorblind. I apologize. I think the majority of males in our population actually are colorblind. And so I'm going to pour a little more because I noticed these shades still didn't look like the dark purple shade. So that would be the Zephyr Hills water. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. See if we can't. There we go. Nice purple. Then the Evian water. Let's see if we can go there. Change that to a nice bluish purple. Again, boom, blue, purple, and maybe even down here at the Dasani. boom, a nice purple. So we definitely want to make sure, I believe those shades are much closer to the purple now. So there we have it. Again, the ability not just to be alkaline, but to alkalize, the second characteristic of the right water, to take something that's acidic, like your stomach acid, like the acid that's around your cell and the interstitial fluid, that can get down to as low as 4.5. That needs to come up to over 7 so that it can be healthy, so they have oxygen, so that it can respirate like all normal cells do.